tell you who I am.
Hello, I am the Rotating Cleaner Series W from the OMZ SRL family. I am a hydrokinetic washing head, designed for the internal cleaning of tanks and containers, both in the food and chemical sectors. I operate by the reaction of the water coming out of my nozzles. It is precisely this force that allows me to rotate and completely cover the entire internal surface. My rotation ensures an even distribution of the jet, guaranteeing effective cleaning even in the hardest to reach areas. I am available in 22 versions to suit different operational needs. I am made entirely of stainless steel to ensure strength, durability, and maximum reliability, even in the most demanding environments. I am certified ATEX Zone 0, therefore suitable for use in environments with potentially explosive atmospheres. I work with hot and cold water with minimum operating parameters of 20 liters per minute and a pressure between 40 and 500 bar. These are my colleagues, and in combination with Mafra detergents, we perform a precise and professional wash. Bye-bye! See you next time!